Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Joyce, and for a returning subscriber, karibu sana and thank you for your support. So on today's video, I'm going to show you what I'm going to make. I'll be making homemade dawa because I'm feeling like I have homa. So let me show you the ingredient first and then we can proceed with making the dawa. So these are the only ingredients that I am going to use. For me, I use lemon, ginger, garlic and honey. I know there are so many ingredients that other people uses, but this is the only thing I am going to use today. We are going to start, so I'm going to remove the garlic cloves. Then I'm going to peel them. Next, we're going to peel our ginger. On to the next step. I'm going to do this to my lemon so that they can produce the juice easily. When they are hard, it is very hard for them to produce juice. The next step, I'm going to crush the ginger and the garlic together. So I'm done crushing the garlic and the ginger. Here it is. And squeezing out the lemon juice. So on to the next step. So I have my sufuria here. I'm going to light the gas. And then I'll add in hot water. And wait for it to boil. Water was hot, it has come to a boiling point. So we are going to add in the lemon juice. and cover it for a while as we wait for it to boil again. After boiling for a while, we are now going to add in the mixture of ginger and garlic. We stir it and then we wait for it to boil again. So at this point our dawa is ready. As you can see, it has even changed the color. So I'm going to sieve it. There are people who like adding either sugar or their honey when the dawa is still boiling, but I love adding mine when I am taking it. So you can add any amount that you want. If you love it sweet, you just add the amount that you want. So I have added only a spoon and a half. So this dawa is always good when you're taking it hot. So I'm going to enjoy mine right now. This is so good. I can feel the ginger and the garlic here. So I'm sure that is going to help me. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you have really enjoyed today's vlog. If you have enjoyed this vlog, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section down below and tell me how you make your dawa. Until my next one, bye bye.